Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on MBOX. The price line of MBOX has broken out the resistance of a bearish pennant and also formed a very big bullish reversal harmonic pattern as well. And in today's video, I want to discuss the next expected targets with you. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me just show you this harmonic bullish reversal pattern. And by the way, before this pattern, I shared this idea for my members at the Patreon at the end of November. On 30th of November, when the price line broke out a very big bullish pennant on the daily time frame chart. Our first target was $10.33 and second target was $12.55. And this support of the triangle, this pennant, was our stop loss. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line was moving, by the way, it was moving at $8.51, and it rallied up to $15.73. That was a very big pump, and the price line dropped down again. And during this move, the price line of MBOX has completed another harmonic bullish reversal move, and I'll show you the targets of that move as well. But before that, I want to take you to the live daily time frame chart. And here, price line has formed this bearish pennant, and you can see that the price line entered here on 22nd of November 2021, and after testing the support, rallied up. And this was the move when the price line also broke out another bullish pennant that we have seen here on 30th of November. And you can see here we have this date from 29th to 30th of November. It broke out the resistance of the bullish pennant as well, and after getting rejected by the bigger resistance of this bearish pennant, moved down, tested the support and resistance as well. Finally, it has broken out this bigger resistance. This is a very big pattern, by the way. That was a smaller, this bullish pennant was smaller than this bearish pennant. And after getting bounced by this support, it has broken out this resistance. And here it has found another resistance that was previously working as a very, very strong support. And this resistance level we have at $3.50. And here you can see that before the breakout, we have a recent swing low here that is at $2.30. That is the lowest support of MBOX, and this is also a key resistance for the big move at $3.50. And right now the price line is struggling to break it out, but at the same time it is also having a nice support of EM at 21 as well. You can see when the price line broke it down, EM at 21, the red line, it was not able to break it out again, but right now it has broken out the resistance of the pennant and also the EM at 21 as well. So if the price line will be not able to break it down, this EM at 21, then it can start the next move and it can break out the next resistance of $3.50. Otherwise, it can move down to retest this support of $2.30 and also the resistance of the previous pennant as a support. But if we take a look at this big bullish sharp move that has been formed on the weekly time frame, then we can see our potential reversal zone is starting from $4.02 and goes to $2.71. By the way, we are at $3.23. We are almost 16 to 17% up from this potential, the maximum extent of this potential reversal zone, that is $2.71. And this is almost at the same level, not at the same level, there is a bit difference from this support of $2.30 and this $2.71. But I'm expecting this $2.71 can also work as a very, very strong support. You can see on the weekly time frame, it is nicely working as a support. Now, our sell targets as per this Fibonacci sequence of the harmonic bullish reversal, the shark move, are from $5.76 and goes to $8.98. However, in case of breaking out this resistance, we can expect that the price line can even hit this target, that is the tail of this bearish pennant, approximately at $14. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.